Looking for a reliable solution for dumpster rental in Indiana, Pennsylvania? Look no further than PHiLL It Up Disposal LLC. PHiLL It Up Disposal LLC offers a wide range of dumpster sizes, ensuring we can handle any job, big or small. Our dumpsters are suitable for residential, commercial, and industrial use, providing you with the perfect container for your project. Selecting the appropriate size and type of container rentals is essential, and we make this process easy by offering expert guidance to help you find the ideal solution. Our team of professionals is dedicated to delivering prompt and efficient service. We understand the importance of timely waste removal, and our reliable team ensures your dumpster rental experience is hassle-free. With PHiLL It Up Disposal LLC, you can be confident that your waste is being managed responsibly. We are committed to using environmentally friendly disposal methods, contributing to a clean and green Indiana, Pennsylvania. Join the many satisfied customers who have made PHiLL It Up Disposal LLC their go-to choice for dumpster rental in Indiana, Pennsylvania. We take pride in providing exceptional service and making waste management effortless. Trust PHiLL It Up Disposal LLC for all your dumpster rental needs. Visit our website at www.phillitup.com, Dumpster Rental Indiana, PA, or call us today at 724-919-2838 to get started. PHiLL It Up Disposal LLC, your solution for clean spaces.